Here's one of my favorite jokes. What do you call a robot who likes to joke around?
Okay, if you could just grab that other end there and just, cinch it down.
Perfect.
So it's locked in.
Of course. I'm in New York City, and I'm on my favorite show, The Tonight Show.
My father gave it to me. I think he wanted me to kill you.
Can you believe how advanced robots have become? I mean, China has made incredible progress in AI and robotics, and they're leading the charge in fully autonomous humanoid star robots. The Astrobot S1, the newest robot on the block, straight out of Shenzhen, China, is totally doing its own thing, which is pretty mind-blowing. Okay, so why is this so impressive? Well, for starters, this robot is lightning fast and moves super smoothly, all on its own. It's fully autonomous, meaning there's no human controlling it from behind the scenes. No VR headsets or remote controls here. What's even cooler is that it's all powered by some fancy language technology. China's latest autonomous robot, the Astrobot S1, has left the world in awe with its remarkable capabilities. This cutting-edge creation showcases China's prowess in the realms of robotics, setting new standards for innovation and advancement. The Astrobot S1's ability to perform complex tasks autonomously, such as stacking cups and identifying objects, demonstrates a significant leap forward in humanoid robotics technology. Okay, let's break down what's happening here. So, first up, we've got this crazy demo of a robot playing a cup stacking game. Now, if you've ever tried this game for yourself, you know it's not easy. You've got to be quick. But this robot, it's stacking those cups up like a pro, and it's doing it all on its own. Pretty impressive stuff, considering even some humans struggle with this game. Now, things get even more interesting when we look at what's going on next. The robot is asked what it sees, and it rattles off a whole list of items it spotted in the room, from an orange ping pong ball to a red toy car. It's all thanks to its onboard vision system. We're not exactly sure which fancy tech it's using, but it's working like a charm. Honestly, there are so many advancements happening, especially with the rise of big language models like Release 53. We're not sure which one they're using, but it's making a big difference. As the demo goes on, you can see the vision system in action, kind of like the yellow vision system, which can spot all sorts of things. It's pretty cool to watch it identify different items. The robot is asked how to tidy up, and it suggests using containers for toys and writing stuff. It might seem obvious to us, but for a robot to figure that out, it shows some serious smarts. They mentioned it learned this stuff by watching humans, which makes sense because it's super quick and smooth at doing these tasks. And these tasks aren't just half done, they're really done well. It's amazing to see how far robotics has come, especially after seeing a few demos this year. Honestly guys, this demo blows everything else out of the water. It's crazy how these robots can do so much with just two simple strategies. People used to think humanoid robots needed 5 fingers like us, but it turns out keeping it simple is the way to go. This demo proves it. Now, some folks might say these demos are too controlled, with everything set up perfectly. But come on, watching a robot toss a paper plane into a bin, that's the next level. You know, even seemingly simple tasks like cutting veggies are pretty amazing when a robot does them. But here's something we're curious about. Does this robot have legs or a moving base? From what we can see, it's got arms and a vision system. But mobility is key for robots in the future. Oh, and just to clear things up, this robot isn't the same as the reflex robot you might have heard about before. Even though it looks similar, it's made by a different company, and it's controlled by a human, not on its own. But we bet the Astrobot S1 probably uses a similar setup when they send their robots out into the world. The robot moves so smooth and quickly, and it did a bunch of different tasks, not just one or two. Some of them were really tricky, stuff that even humans might struggle with. You know why we are excited about this robot? 2 things actually. First, we would love to see it use a big language model to talk with people. Right now, it seems like it just responds to type commands, but imagine if it could chat with us like a real person. It'd be cool to see it understand spoken commands too, not just type ones. Right now it looks like someone just types in what they want the robot to do and does it, but if it could understand us talking to it, that'd be next level. Another thing that would make this robot even better is if it could move around in different places. You see, robots sometimes struggle when they're in new environments. Everything gets all mixed up, and it's harder for them to figure out where things are supposed to go. But hey, we're not trying to pick on this robot or anything, we're just saying it'd be super cool to see it get even better at what it does. And you know what's surprising? This lab seems to be leading the pack in robotics right now. Sure, some folks might be skeptical because there's a lot of hype involving these robots these days, but let's just say these ones are all autonomous, no human control involved. So it looks like the lab might be leading the pack in robotics demos, but Remember that cool feat from Boston Dynamics? Their robot showed off some impressive moves too. We wonder if it'll outshine this one in terms of flexibility and what it can do. Anyway, China's really stepping up its game in the robotics world. People are starting to realize that there's potential here, and China seems to be investing big time in it. So, what do you guys think about all this? It's definitely heating up in the world of robotics. When we watched the demo, it got us thinking. We might be heading towards a future where robots are absolutely everywhere, doing all sorts of things we never even imagined. We used to think they'd only do specific tasks, but if they can learn and move like this robot, who knows what they'll be capable of. One of the most impressive aspects of the Astrobot S1 is its seamless integration of multiple AI systems, including large language models and vision systems. These technologies enable the robot to interact with its environment, understand commands, and complete tasks with remarkable efficiency and fluidity. Moreover, the Astrobot's S1's agility and adaptability suggest promising potential for its future applications in various industries. Despite its groundbreaking achievements, these remain areas for further development. Enhancing the robot's mobility to navigate diverse environments and incorporating verbal communication capabilities through language models are areas of interest for future improvements. Additionally, ensuring robustness and reliability in real-world scenarios will be essential, all for widespread adoption of autonomous robots, like the Astrobot S1. Nevertheless, the Astrobot S1 represents a significant milestone in China's robotics industry, signaling the country's commitment to technological advancement and innovation. As China continues to invest in robotics infrastructure and research, we can expect to see further advancements and groundbreaking demonstrations all in the field. The Astrobot S1 serves as a testament to China's leadership in robotics and paves the way for a future where autonomous robots play increasingly integral roles, all in society. Stardust Intelligence sees Astrobot S1 as the epitome of AI, boosting human-like performance with maximum speed and precision. In a promotional video, the robot showcases its capabilities by completing various tasks, such as sorting items, ironing clothes, and even flipping sandwiches on a frying pan, a job previously done by humans. One remarkable feat is the Astrobot S1 smoothly pulling a tablecloth from under the delicate wine glasses, demonstrating its flexibility and finesse without causing any glasses to topple. With a speed of 10 meters per second and the ability to handle up to 22 pounds per arm, Astrobot S1 represents a significant advancement in robotics technology. Stardust Intelligence keeps the technical training process of Astrobot S1 under wraps, but reports suggest a hybrid design, blending a wheeled base with a humanoid upper body. This hybrid design allows for versatile research and scenario testing, adapting to the robot's intended tasks. The Astrobot S1 software boasts advanced features, enabling various data collection methods like videos, motion capture, and remote operation. It utilizes imitation, reward learning, and multimodal large models for continuous learning through software updates, enhancing its intelligence over time. So, what do you guys think about the Astrobot S1? It seems like it's a cutting-edge system that's gonna shake up the competition, and they're saying it might hit the market this year. But let's not get too ahead of ourselves. We might see some delays, like with most robotics projects. Still, from what we've seen, this one seems to be ahead of the game. Exciting times ahead. Share your thoughts in the comments section. Show us some love by hitting the like and subscribe button. And until next time, see you all